Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. This car is finished in turquoise over white. What a gorgeous car. My daughter's seen this car and she says, "Dad, that's a beautiful car." And I said, "You're right, it is a beautiful car." She's 8, she really loves classic cars and she loves turquoise, so. And I do agree, I think this is probably one of the prettiest color combinations on a Tri-5 Chevy. This car has a 350 engine under the hood with an 350 turbo automatic transmission. Has power steering, power brakes. It has disc brakes on the front. It's sitting on Krager's right now, and I was going to change them and put something different on, but my salesman, he says, just leave it alone. Those wheels look good on that car. They look period correct. They should be on it, so I left them on. I guess if anybody chooses to change them, that's your decision. Underneath the hood, very, very nicely detailed engine compartment, aluminum radiator and AC condenser. As I mentioned, power steering, power brakes, chrome, pretty much chromed out underneath the hood. Master cylinder, brake booster, has aluminum heads on it. Long tube headers, Edelbrock intake and carburetor. There's your AC compressor, batteries held down. You'd be surprised how many cars you get it and you see the battery hold down not on them. MSD ignition, it's got nice Taylor plug wires. Aluminum catch can. Just a pretty car. While we're up front here, you can take a look at the chrome bumper and the chrome on the front of the car is in very nice shape. The paint on the car is in very nice shape as well. Gentleman told me the car's been painted for 20 years, so I mean it's very, very nice. There's that typical 55, 6, and 7 Chevy door squeak. That's kind of iconic, isn't it? It's got like a 59 Impala steering wheel, chrome tilt, I did it steering column. Interior is just gorgeous, that turquoise over black interior. I've always loved the style of these interiors. I always thought they were so classy. Package tray with a couple of speakers back there. Headliner's very nice. Dome light works. Sun visors are intact. Nice chrome rear view mirror. Door jambs are nice on the car. I'm going to price this car at $59,900. I think that's a very, very good deal for somebody on this car. I mean, like I say, the fit and finish, the chrome, the stainless, the trim, the bright work. It's got lightly soft tinted glass all around. Power windows. As I mentioned, chrome tilt column. 84,000 miles on the odometer. Fires right up. Dash lights work. Left turn, right turn, right headlight indicator, I said that works. It's got a custom audio sound, or a custom auto sound stereo in it. It works. You ain't gonna tune anything in here though. There's the AC. AC works. Wipers work. Glove box sleeves in there so you know what size belts the car takes. You can just tell a lot of things just like that, you know, that the guy who owned the car really cared about it, you know. I mean, he was conscientious enough to put the belt sleeves in there, and you know, just when I talked to him when I bought his car, I mean, you could just tell that it was a, you know, kind of a family heirloom, and he took good care of it. So I told him I'd find its next forever home. Sounds good. Like I say, the paint on this car is very, very nice for being 20 years old. I mean, I would have guessed it might be 7, 8 years old maybe, but not 20. It's got one little touch-up spot that somebody touched up, a little chip there. And it's got a little chip touch-up spot right here. No bubbling or blistering down the bottom of the car that I see. Oh, I see one got a chip right here. See that? I'll get some, I can mix up a little bit of paint and I'll touch that up. That's what we do. I want to make sure I show you guys what I see on these cars. Those turn signals. I remember these cars. When we were kids, we had a couple old cars growing up, 47 Ford and a 57 Chevrolet. And it was a kind of a little darker blue than this, real pretty blue, but we had those cars growing up and we drove them most Sundays when it was nice out. You could find our family riding around in a 57 Chevrolet. So, kind of an iconic car. When you see a 57 Chevy, most people know exactly that, you know, what the car is. So. And let's keep that tradition alive, folks. Let's make sure that our kids and their children even know what these collector cars are, know what these cars are all about. Because they don't make stuff like this anymore. Oh, the horn don't work though. Unless he's got a button somewhere. I think I told him that when I bought it, that the horn didn't work. I remember what he said though. Brakes work excellent. It's getting, like I say, it's getting towards evening now, so it's past quitting time. It's probably after 7 o'clock. What a nice driving car. I think I should just keep heading on right on home. If I had the shop locked up, I think I would. Man, this thing drives great. Got the one window down, got the air conditioning blowing ice cold air on my legs, which that's pretty satisfying right at the moment. $75 mph down the road. I probably better slow down. What a great car, everybody. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. I do not believe this car will be here long for $59,900. I think this car will be sold yet this week. So give us a call again, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. The right brake, step on the brakes right there, the right brake was grabbing just a little bit. I might have to check out that caliper and see if that caliper could possibly be sticking a little bit. But just like that, you know, I tell you exactly what's going on. And you call us, you buy a car from us, you call us and tell us, you know, ask any questions about the car while it's in our service department, or we'll be honest and upfront with you. That's just the way we do business here at Kinion Classics. Beautiful car, everyone. I seen several all turquoise ones over the weekend at a big car show, and I really like the white top. I think the white top sets the car off. And if I had it my way, I would have put a set of really nice billet specialty wheels on it and some red line tires, and I would have asked $69.9 or $79.9 for it. So if you want to buy this car, you better buy it quick before I decide to make it even more badass and put some cool ass wheels on it. So give us a call, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. I really appreciate all my subscribers, and I hope you guys have a great afternoon, a great evening. Talk to you soon.